What if Dacia brought back one of its most affordable nameplates and turned it into a modern tech-packed budget champion? The 2026 Dacia Solenza could be the biggest surprise in the compact car segment. A bold new exterior design, a completely upgraded interior, hybrid efficiency, advanced safety tech, and all at a price that could shake the market. Today we explore everything about the 2026 Solenza, from the outside design to the inside comfort and the features that could redefine affordable driving. Let's dive in. Full voice-over script. The 2026 Dacia Solenza marks a potential rebirth of one of Dacia's most recognized value-driven nameplates. While the original Solenza was known for simplicity and affordability, this new generation aims to blend modern design, improved comfort, and advanced technology without losing the brand's budget-friendly identity. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Solenza presents a completely refreshed look that aligns with the new design language of Dacia. The front fascia features a wider and more confident grille design. The updated Dacia emblem sits proudly in the center, giving the car a more premium appearance than previous generations. Slim LED headlights stretch sharply into the fenders, creating a modern and aggressive light signature. Daytime running lights form a distinctive pattern that makes the Solenza instantly recognizable on the road. The lower bumper integrates functional air intakes that improve aerodynamics while also giving the car a sportier stance. Moving along the side profile, the Solenza displays smooth character lines that run from the front fender to the rear tail lamps. These lines give the vehicle a sense of motion even when it is standing still. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect stylish 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels that add a refined touch to the compact silhouette. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, maintaining a balanced and aerodynamic shape. Black cladding along the lower body panels enhances durability while adding a subtle crossover-inspired look. Higher trims may offer contrasting roof colors for a more youthful and dynamic appearance. At the rear, the 2026 Solenza continues its modern theme. LED tail lights mirror the front light signature, creating a cohesive design. The rear bumper is sculpted for a clean and contemporary finish. A subtle roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics and gives the hatchback version a sportier personality. Overall, the exterior design represents a major evolution. It no longer looks like a basic economy car. Instead, it carries a confident and modern identity that can compete with other compact vehicles in its segment. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior of the 2026 Dacia Solenza focuses on practicality, space, and modern technology. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalistic. A horizontal design theme stretches across the cabin, creating a sense of width and openness. At the center of the dashboard sits a large floating touchscreen display, expected to measure around 8 to 10 inches depending on trim. This infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, allowing drivers to seamlessly integrate their smartphones. Navigation, media controls, and vehicle settings are easily accessible through the intuitive interface. Behind the steering wheel, the Solenza may feature a digital instrument cluster on higher trims. This display provides clear information about speed, fuel efficiency, navigation directions, and driver assistance systems. Lower trims may retain a semi-digital setup while still offering modern graphics. Material quality has seen a noticeable improvement compared to earlier budget models. Soft touch surfaces on key contact areas enhance comfort, while durable plastics ensure long-term reliability. Seat upholstery options could include premium fabric and optional eco-leather finishes for higher variants. Comfort is a key priority in the 2026 Solenza. The front seats are designed with improved cushioning and lumbar support for long-distance driving. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom thanks to the efficient platform layout. The flat floor design in the rear enhances comfort for middle seat passengers. Storage solutions are smartly integrated throughout the cabin. Large door pockets, a practical center console, cup holders, and hidden compartments make everyday use convenient. The trunk offers competitive cargo capacity for the segment, making the Solenza ideal for families, daily commuters, and small business owners alike. In terms of climate control, higher trims may include automatic climate systems, while base models provide efficient manual air conditioning. Rear air vents may also be available in select configurations, further improving passenger comfort. Technology and safety features represent one of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 Solenza. While Dacia traditionally focused on simplicity, this new generation embraces modern driver assistance systems. Expected safety features include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. More advanced trims may introduce adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. These additions bring the Solenza closer to competitors in terms of safety standards while still maintaining affordability. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia Solenza is likely to offer efficient and practical engine options. A 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine could serve as the base powertrain, delivering a balance of performance and fuel economy. For markets demanding better efficiency, a mild hybrid or hybrid option may also be introduced. Transmission choices could include a 6-speed manual gearbox for drivers who prefer full control, along with an automatic or continuously variable transmission for smoother urban driving. Fuel efficiency is expected to be one of the strongest selling points. With lightweight construction and efficient engines, the Solenza aims to deliver excellent mileage figures, reducing running costs for everyday users. Ride quality is tuned for comfort. The suspension setup focuses on absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability at highway speeds. Steering response is light for city driving yet stable enough for longer journeys. In summary, the 2026 Dacia Solenza represents a bold step forward. It blends affordability with modern styling, improved comfort, practical technology, and enhanced safety systems. For buyers looking for a compact car that offers strong value without sacrificing essential features, the Solenza could become a standout option. It carries the simplicity Dacia is known for, but adds the refinement and innovation today's drivers expect. If this model reaches production with these features and competitive pricing, it could reshape the entry-level car segment once again. The 2026 Dacia Solenza is not just a comeback. It is a transformation. And for budget-conscious drivers who want modern design, smart technology, and everyday practicality, this might be the car worth waiting for.